All right, guys, we got a cool one coming into the shop. Got a Lexus SC300. And boy, is she cool, because she's got a 2J. All right. So we're going to be doing some intercooler piping on this thing. Intercooler mounting. Pretty simple stuff. I'm going to reclock the elbow on his turbo, because whoever did that did not do it right. He wanted it straight out this way. So cut that off, clock it up. Then we'll probably go up through here, going over all these lines, pop a hole through there, come around, and probably go through, just move this or cut a hole or whatever is the best. Probably ask him what he thinks he wants to do, or snake it through right there. I haven't quite decided, so we'll do something to that extent. Got the intercooler in the truck, grab that. We're gonna unload this once Alec gets here and just kind of get a game plan, figure out what we're gonna do. He does have some intercooler piping over here. There's like the front bash bar thing that's stock, of course, but we're gonna make some tabs off of that for him, because he is running a stock bumper and all that. So yeah, get this thing unloaded. Check out his Instagram. Yeah, got Alec getting the intercooler mounted up. DAing this so it looks real nice. I gotta grab this stand. I'm making mounts right now for it. Got this up in a little vise on the drill press. I was already halfway through. Just like that, boys. Bam. All right, do the next one quick. So now we got a bracket for the intercooler. Wow. Weld it straight to there and bolt straight to there. Real simple, real simple. Got the Everlast Loud Boy 3000, 200 amps, 1/8 inch rod, 1/8 inch tungsten, special pedal on the table. Go through my stuff here. 125 hertz, 35% balance. That's about it. And Special Man's got the pedal. I like your get up today, it's real good. About to giddy up onto this shit.
Weld style.
Yeah, giddy up, welder.
Should I use a knee?
Tack! It's all up to you. I want to see the bestest of the bestest.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
A little harder.
Tank. Cutting the elbow off the turbo to reclock it so it's more in our favor. Me and Alec got this turbo side intercooler piping all fitted and ready to go. Basically, just gotta clamp it up, get the other boots that the guys got. He's bringing me tonight. So waiting on that, and then waiting on a boot for the other side over there so we can reduce down from this 90 mil, which would be like a 3.5 inch tube. So that tube, and then cut the hole and then reduce it down to the 3 inch, and then got to put the blow off valve somewhere too. So we'll end up, we got to shorten that big tube right there, that's saran wrap, so we'll end up sticking the blow off valve in there somewhere. But yeah, it's coming out pretty killer. Really clean car, trying to keep the paint as clean as we can in there. A couple of scratches and stuff from cutting that big hole, but a little touch up paint, she'll be golden. Ripper Randy over here.
Nice things.
Hey,
Again.
sorry about the hole in your nice ass car. Fucking hate doing that.
Honestly.
Especially in something this clean. It's like when we were cutting up the 240 low key, I was like, ah.
This sucks, but at the same time, it's gonna be so.
Yeah, and then this thing comes here and I'm like, fucking Christ.
Alright, cool, that'll work.
Alright, so we just gotta like shorten up this one.
Shorten up that one, and big man.
And we'll put a little boot on there.
Little
Das Boot. Alright, cool. All right, we just finished this one up. Came out super clean. Me and Alec threw some rubber on the inside of these holes, making that look so good. He just needs to get a couple clamps like back there and over here, but got that intake side all done, got the logo on there. Little blow-off valve. That all hooked up, rubber around the hole, coming down, clearing all his AC and like power steering stuff. Little 45 elbow through there, wrapping around right into the intercooler. There's those brackets. This one, same thing, coupler right through the hole. No play in there, not making any noise. Yeah, this thing's way too clean. I absolutely love this car. Me and Alec have just been sitting here staring at it. Just like, oh, I want one. But yeah, guys, this guy, he's got a couple more cars you're probably gonna be seeing on the channel, so stay tuned. If you like MK4 Supras, you're definitely gonna wanna check this guy out. SCDude32 on Instagram. Check him out. He's got some cool stuff going on. Really cool dude. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Another one for the books. It looks super clean. Came out absolutely killer. He's loving it, so we're real happy. Really stoked on it. Yep.